We're at the end of Lesson 1 already, and what did we learn here in Lesson 1? First skill that we learned in this lesson is narration, or what might be called storytelling. And we learned that to be effective, a narrative had to have a good beginning, had to be presented in chronological order, or the time order in which the events occurred, that should provide a lot of significant details, and that it should be vivid and realistic for us. And then finally, our writing model also told us that our narration should have a good pace and an effective conclusion. So that's a lot that we learned actually about the skill of narration. From there, now we move on and say, okay, well, what do we learn here in Lesson 1 about character education? Well, Lesson 1 answered two basic and very important questions for us. What is bullying, and are there different types of bullying? And we learned that bullying takes place when a person is picked on by others, treated in a demeaning way, badgered, intimidated, called, a victim of name-calling, undesirable and derogatory names, when they are controlled by another person, when they're terrorized by someone, made to feel inferior, harassed, and sometimes even physically hurt or injured by the bully. And that list, of course, continues, but the bottom line is that bullying is a mean and contemptible act that causes extreme pain in its victims. And that's the end of Lesson 1.